Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this not the first time where you dey see my video, welcome. I throw away salute. Today I won't cook one correct Delta banga soup. Banga soup wey be say when you cook am on a budget, they go think say na better money na kill am. Sometimes you go get limited money for hand, you say, oh, I no fit cook this soup because they consume a lot of money. Make I show you how you go cook this sweet food on a budget. So to cook this banga soup on a budget, I go use leftover banga sauce wey be say I used previously, what I save for freezer. Now I go use mackerel, crab, pomo. The money wey you take buy one lean meat, fresh fish or dry fish go reach to buy all these things remain. So I go use periwinkle, I go use crayfish. So this na the whole one and the ground one. Then I go use shrimp. All this one I go make your food sweet and make your pot food throwaway. I go also use onion, salt, dry pepper and seasoning cube. So for the banga spices I dey use beletete. The English name na bush apple leaves, na the dried one. So I still dey use ruguje. If you go market, in case you no know as e be, e dey flat and na the one wey no dey plenty wey dem go tie am for bag, you see 110 seed dey inside. Na im be the ruguje in case you no know the name. Then this is Ataiko. The Ataiko resemble the seed of negro pepper, uda, and it be like alligator pepper seed. You see the difference? This one dey flatter. So I go still use banga stick. You need to smell am. If the thing not get smell, not waste your money. The thing is supposed to get one nice smell. If you not get that smell, not buy am. So before I start to cook, I dey dissolve the banga like this. If you don't watch my banga rice, my banga soup video, you go see say na so I dey do the thing every time so that the sand go the bottom. When they harvest banga, you know as they be, when you cut am for the tree, the thing go hit ground. Before you know, sand don't enter. So it dey very hard to remove the sand. That's why they do it like this. Another way to cook banga soup on a budget, you fit mix the local banga and the agric banga together. So 2 to 3 parts of local banga to 1 part of agric banga. You go stretch am. If you want to enjoy your banga soup, do one like this so that you go fit strain the sand comot. Na so they do am. If not, like say not be this way be say that they manufacture, they package this thing. God knows so for not they will see banga soup they eat for here. So I know they blame them like the way banga nature be. See, I go show now this not beside they carry they talk. See see sand for the bottom. I know they blame them like the way banga be. They very hard to comot sansa for oil. So see as it be. So if you do one like this, you go enjoy your banga soup. So as the oil they cook, I will come go handle the stick, the banga stick. So because this one gets good scent, I go cut them into 2 because and there's no need to waste them. Once you don't use them cook, you know if you save the thing out to throw away them. So I go break them to small size because the thing gets the good smell. We know they still see the thing for years. So even when you do Nigeria, manage them. So now this one now I'll take cook the soup. So I don't already cook my pomo. So I just dey cut them to the size wey be say I want. So there are so many ways you can cut am. You fit cut am to small so that when person pack the soup, one small you go follow, you go get something wey they eat like that. So you fit leave am big, you fit cut am small like this. See, when people see the food, they'll say na better money you take cook am. So now I don't wash the stick, I don't throw am inside the soup. So the thing go dey release the flavor. So I dey add the shrimp. I go add crayfish too. All these ones go dey release flavor. So the ground one I dey add too. So I will come add the leaves. All these things now flavor it dey build up. I will come add pepper, dry pepper. So when you dey cook food like that, dey build the flavor. At the end product, your food go sweet. Some people don't understand how they wait for 9 minutes before they add all this thing. So I just put the pomo. It's already done, but just to continue, I just add maggi and small salt so that the thing will cook. So while they cook, I can grind the ataiko and the ruguje. You fit grind them with the onions, but they grind them separately so that everything will really grind well. So I go grind the onions separately. See, it done ready. So back to the soup. See, the oil don dey form for the top. The thing don start to dey scent, you no go believe. So make I add crab. If you wan know how I clean this crab, I get video on how to clean crab. I go leave am for the description box below so that you go check am out later. So I go add the periwinkle. If you no wan add periwinkle, you fit not add, it's up to you, but I like periwinkle. So now I go add the Ruguje and the Ataiko. See, when you add them, all your neighbors, they go turn to CID. Their nose go start to dey work. They wonder where that smell they come from. Their nose go overdrive. So make I use this opportunity hail all those people say don't subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you. You guys now be my backbone. No. And for those will be saying at the first time will be say they see my video, I beg subscribe, like the video, turn on your notification bell. God bless you and thank you. The soup don dey cook for like 20 to 30 minutes, so I go add the fish because the thing don dey take, so I go add the fish so that the taste go enter, the fish go cook. So when you don't put fish here, you know this thing, you know they carry, they turn the thing, you just dey mix am, your fish go just scatter through away for you. So after the thing don't cook like 10 minutes, I go come add the onions. See, once you add these onions, all your neighbors wey dey sniff since they go come catch you, they go know say na you dey cook the soup because the scent go don full everywhere. So I go just let the thing cook. I just make the thing cook. Once in a while, I go just go inside the move on like this, because if you go carry the turn the thing go just scatter. I no wan comot the fish. So make I check the taste of the soup and the salt and everything. So I go just add in a little bit of pepper. Add pepper to your taste, and I go still add a little bit of salt. All those ones now to your own taste. If you like more salt, add. If you not like, no add. So that one now to your taste. So I could just let am thicken up. It don't done, and I just make the thing thicken up. So not be by how much you get for pocket, so now how you shop wisely and make your food dey sweet. I still get another bangasoup video beside I post, where beside I explain the spices well. So I go leave the link for the description box. Make una go check them out. The thing done they cook for a while. So as it thick, see, ma show you, see, you know, so as it cover the fish, tell you say it don't thick, it don't ready. So this my crab leg, I cook and separately. I don't want time inside the soup. If you leave them because of children, they cook and separately. You see, as they boil through away, as they boil through away. This banga soup, only God know. When you try them, you go know what they talk about. See, it don't thick. If you put them for clay pots, you go thicken them. But this one already thick, you don't need to thicken them. But the clay pot, when you put them inside, still cook them, the flavor of the clay pot they enter. If you eat this banga soup, I don't know what to talk. I beg you, if you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe or click the like button and turn your notification bell. When you serve anybody this soup, they go ask you how much you take cook them. You know, as everywhere food throw with different assorted 9 days inside on a budget. Nobody go believe say this is on a budget. So make una thank you for watching. Make una not forget to try. Wanna try, make una can't tell me. So till I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.